How to transfer Picoin in Delta Exchange. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Picoin to Delta Exchange. First, log into your Delta Exchange account. Now go to the wallet section and click on Deposit. From the drop-down menu, select Picoin. Click on Deposit Crypto, and then from there, select or search for Pi Network or the Picoin. Now open your Picoin wallet and copy the Delta Exchange deposit address and return to your Pi wallet. Paste the address in the recipient field and enter the amount of Picoin you want to transfer. Before confirming the transfer, double check the recipient address to make sure or to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Submit. The transaction will be processed on the blockchain and may take a few minutes to complete. You can monitor the transfer status by checking the transactions history and Delta Exchange. Once the transfer is successful, the Picoin balance will appear in your wallet. Now you can use your Picoin for trading or transferring to other wallets, and be cautious of fees associated with each transaction, and ensure your wallet has sufficient Picoin for both the transfer amount and transaction fees. Regularly review your wallet activity to keep track of all incoming and outgoing transactions. And that's how you transfer Picoin and Delta Exchange.